Lesson 56, Identifying, Writing, and Graphing Direct Variations. A direct variation is when one variable is equal to a constant times another variable. So direct variation. That's just when we have one variable equal to a constant, that's just a number, times another variable. So the ratio is going to be the same for all points. So the ratio, if you take all your y's and divide them by the x that goes with the y, that ratio, will be the same. So the ratio y over x for all points is the same. It's actually equal to a number which would be k. The graph of the line goes through the origin or lines up with the origin if they're just points. And origin, remember, is the point 0, 0. Also, if you were to put the equation into slope-intercept form, you would have y equals kx, and there's no constant after. You don't add or subtract any number, so there's not an additional term. So we can make a little table over here. This is the representation and the description. So if we are representing it using an equation, it's going to look like y equals kx, where k is a non-zero constant, any number but 0. The graph is a line that goes through 0, 0. Or the point 0, 0. In words, we're going to hear something like y varies directly with x. You might hear y is directly proportional to x. Those are some of the things that you might hear. We call k the constant of variation. Since it's a constant, this is the number that when you take the ratio y divided by x, you'll get that number. We also know it as a slope of the line. If you had y equals kx, if we divide both sides by x, we get k equals y over x. The y-axis is vertical, so this is our rise over x is the horizontal. So it's rise over run. That's what our... Okay, let's do an example. We're given the equation of a line that has direct variation and goes through the point 624. Since we know that it has direct variation, we can find k. So we're going to find k where k equals y over x. So we already know our y and our x, so k equals 24 divided by 6, or 4. Then we write the equation y equals kx, which is y equals 4x. And that's the end of the lesson.